Welcome back to Channel. I'm doing absolutely fine. So finally, we have the pilot episode of this. It is super emotional. So I'll give you a first quick reaction and a kind of a spoiler-free review. पहले मैं sixth season अगर आपने अब तक पहले देखा नहीं होगा. So this show is all about a family and how their story is right from their beginning. And जैसे वो बचपन से तीनों जो siblings है वो बड़े होते हैं and कैसे the story is kind of blended between their past and their futures. This is one of the best family show which I have ever seen. And thank you so much Disney for streaming it while it is literally streaming in the US. It is hardly around 10 or 11 in the morning, and we are able to watch this while it is being streamed on the NBC. So before I start with the breakdown, I'll just give a spoiler-free review. So इस एपिसोड में हमें ज़्यादा ऐसे कुछ देखने नहीं मिलता है, बट अगर आपने पहले के पांचों सीजन देखे होंगे then this is going to be the last season number 6. So इस entire season में हमें start में तो at least it is a kind of a slow, and अगर आपने पहले के सीजन देखे होंगे तो आपको already पता है कि how emotional this show is, and it will definitely bring some tears to you. So now we will be starting with the basic breakdown with respect to the first episode of season 6. और स्टोरी कुछ इस तरीके से चालू होती है. हमारा जो पहले के सीजन के जो इनका बर्थडे का जो सीन रहता है, लाइक द शो एपिसोड, लाइक द शो का पायलट जो था, फर्स्ट एपिसोड जो था वो इस तरीके से स्टार्ट हुआ था कि तीनों जो सिबलिंग्स हैं उनके बर्थडे रहते हैं एंड इट इज देयर 35th बर्थडे, एंड नाउ वी कैन सी दैट इट इज गोइंग टू बी देयर 41st बर्थडे. सो इट इज ऑन द 6th सीजन नाउ, एंड इट इज जस्ट काइंड ऑफ a flashback between their old episodes, and now they have grown up so much that Kevin has two twins, Kate has her own baby, and and this was kind of a little bit different because पहले जो हमने पहले के फिनाले में देखा था कि like he left her at the altar, and they don't marry in the end, but still they are kind of living together. He is kind of living in her garage. That is kind of skeptical and kind of weird. So is still having feelings for her, or they because they still kind of get along. And तभी हमें देखने मिलता है Kate is also trying to make him feel even more better because he is not like he is blind, and Toby is not there for her birthday, but he's still kind of there on a conference call. And then as we go ahead with the episode, हमें तीसरी family देखने मिलती है, which is Randall's family, and they are kind of trying to make some arrangement for him. But at the same time, we get to see even Deja का जो boyfriend रहता है, he is trying to send him some good thoughts. And उसी समय रैंडल को ये ईमेल आ जाता है कि उसका जो हमने पहले सीजन में एक रॉबरी देखी थी रैंडल के होम में, which was super terrifying and super emotional. तो उन्हें वो रॉबरी में जो पर्टिकुलर था उसे उन्होंने ऑलरेडी पकड़ा गया है, एंड he will be there. So the Beth kind of gives him an option that he has like these two options where he can go to that robbery and talk to him, or whether he can spend his time with his family. So he still decides to go to the robbery, and then हमें एक flashback scene देखने मिलता है. So this is the amazing part of the show that ये show flashbacks and जो real time में हो रहा है इसके बीच में constant drift करते रहता है. So we get to see like Jack who was there, who is not there because he kind of died in a fire, and तभी हमें flashback scene में देखने मिलता है कि ये लोग सारे स्कूल में है, and तभी एक specific spaceship का launch होने वाला था, but because of some technical fault it kind of gets blasted, and all of them witness that, and even the teacher kind of starts crying, and there is a lot of hassle which happens. And at the same time, we are already aware that Rebecca's memory is slowly kind of drifting. She is going to have probably Alzheimer's, and उसकी जो memory है वो कम होते जाने वाली है. And at the same time, she has this kind of a thing about a book which she kind of remembers. And उसी same time में भी देखने मिलता है कि Uncle Nicky is kind of stalking telling her his girlfriend who was there, who he kind of just left and he didn't go with her, and he just cribbing about it. But तभी हमें देखने मिलता है कि she again tries to remember that train वाली story, but she just kind of starts forgetting about it, and that was the kind of a very sick point where we kind of see her not remembering things, where we know like अभी story इस तरीके से आगे forward होने वाली कि जो वहाँ पे वो भूलने वाली probably, and उसके आगे जैसे हम मूवी में आगे स्टोरी में आगे जाते हैं तभी he kind of thinks that he goes there, he confronts him, but that guy is not bad, he kind of has a very bad experience. तो जब भी रैंडल वापस आता है he is like a very different altogether person, and ये लोग फिर भी try करते रहते हैं कि kind of make a good reunion, kind of make a good family, but somehow somehow she's still not able to remember that thing which kind of happened. She's still not able to the red card के बारे में जो final story रहती है, and she just kind of screamed like it is Redmond, damn it. And तभी that was the kind of the breaking point, as we can sort of think. And then as we go ahead with respect to story, जो स्कूल में चीज हुई थी उसके हिसाब से रैंडल kind of like Kevin is kind of inclined towards Jack, and Jack kind of tells him that when he's happy or sad, he just kind of keeps things inside him and he doesn't tell anybody about that. So उस तरीके से वो Kevin से बुलवाने की कोशिश करता है, but Kevin tells him that he just thought that it was on TV, so it is not real. So Jack is kind of super surprised about it. And जब कभी Kevin birthday से वापस आ जाता है तभी he kind of sees that Madison is with this guy and probably there is something happening between there, and तभी Kevin kind of realizes that he is not technically that much involved, like that much separated from Madison. He is kind of still having some feelings probably for Madison, and तभी he kind of decides. Then we are the original episode में already देखने मिला था पहले कि जो उनके साथ सब कुछ जो हुआ था basically उसके साथ that was not that much fair things which kind of happened, and at the end Kevin kind of comes back and he kind of lives with Kate, which is super weird. And this has been an amazing show, talking all in all, but just to summarize the whole breakdown of the episode, it was kind of a flip through between they trying to manage their emotions. It is their 41st birthday, they are celebrating, but at the same time Randall के life में जो crisis हो रहा है, he is a senator, but at the same time उसके जो personal life में चीजें हो रही है, his thing with his mom and his real family members, both of them are now dead. Kevin के point of view से देखा जाए तो he has been recalled for the Manny reboot, जो Manny उसके एक TV शो था जो उसका ब्रेकडाउन हुआ था एपिसोड नंबर 1 में, पायलट में. ही काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स ऑफ रीजॉइनिंग दैट थिंग नाउ, एंड हमारी केट जो है उसके लाइफ में भी बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स होने वाले आगे, जो हमें पोस्ट क्रेडिट सीन में देखने मिला था सीजन 5 के फिनाले में, बट दिस एपिसोड में उसके कुछ भी हिंट नहीं है. केविन एंड टोबी एंड he is still together. Both of them are having good time. Even at the end we get to see that he kind of sends him a goodbye message and he is back at home. So अभी तक तो उनके कुछ separation की ऐसी कोई hints तो नहीं है टीवी शो के हिसाब से, but we get to see her ending up with that teacher guy who is there, and all in all it was a very emotional episode, but it was not that, it doesn't give out that much story at all, because it was just a kind of a hint that which direction the show is kind of leading to, because it is kind of giving out the vibe that Rebecca has already started to forget a lot of things and things are going to be really dark now. So that is it for the overall breakdown of the overall show, and do let me know what your overall thoughts are about the overall show in the comments below. And अगर आपने अभी तक के episodes देखे नहीं होंगे, then please watch this. It is streaming right now on Disney Hotstar, and thank you so much again for watching until here. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and I'll be meeting you in the next video.